Hey everyone, it's TCG Dude here. I'm going to do a review for these awesome new Oreos. Yeah, they're Oreo cookies with popping candy in it. It has Pop Rocks in it. These are Firework Oreos. Yo, it has popping candy. Okay, here we go. They're pretty good. They're popping in my mouth. Yeah. So, the rating scales, go out and get it now because it's for a limited time, for a limited edition only. It's for Memorial Day weekend and mostly for 4th of July, where everyone can shoot off fireworks on 4th of July. Yeah. That's awesome. Yeah. Like, subscribe, and favorite.